Hey guys, welcome back. We are out here in beautiful Palisade, Colorado at the James M. Robb Colorado River State Park at Island Acres. Absolutely gorgeous. Today I just got a quick video for you. I was sent a product by a company to open up and review for you. They didn't pay me or anything. It's just a quick little propane hose. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right guys, I don't have an unboxing, but it just came in a plain Amazon box, but this is a PatioGem propane hose. This is a propane quick connect hose. So if you have a quick connect connection like we do on the ePro, this will be for you. So what this allows you to do is connect like a camp stove or a fire pit or something. So you can see the adapter there, and then the other side is a quick connect. So yeah, I mean, this is all that comes in the package, so it should be pretty simple. So I want to show you what it would look like connecting to your stove. We can't exactly use it on our Camp Chef because this is a high pressure stove, and that is a low pressure connection that's under the camper. But we can use this for our Camp Chef fire pit. So I will show you that here in a little bit. But if you do have a stove that is low pressure, they give you a connection to connect to your stove. So like one of these, it replaces the 1 pound bottles. All right, so here is our hose. One side is a quick connect, and the other one is a 1 pound propane adapter. We just take our stove connection and we screw it in. So super easy. You would put this obviously on your stove. We can run this to our quick connection on our camper. I did want to point out as well that this is a 12-foot hose, so this gives you quite a bit of leeway to set up your camp kitchen wherever you want to go. Quick connect down here. So you can see our quick connection down underneath the camper, and we should be able to just connect that real quick, and that's nice and secure. Turn that on, and we're set. So this is kind of what you get on a high pressure stove. So you can't really use the quick connect for like a Camp Chef. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and connect this to our Camp Chef propane fire pit. So our fire pit has this threaded connector here, and it does come with a hose that connects directly to a propane tank. So this is the original, and it has a regulator on this side. The connection on the camper is already regulated to low pressure, so this will allow us to use the quick connect on the camper. So on here you just take the 1 pound connection off. You might have to use a wrench to get that disconnected, but in this case it came pretty much loose. And then we can screw it right to our connection on the fire pit. And our original hose has this little wrench, so we'll use that to tighten it down. All right, so we got our new hose connected. We'll just turn the gas on. Woohoo! Look at that. It works.
So overall, you could say that the seal on the gas line is pretty solid, and there's no indication of any leaks that we can hear from all the way through the line to the connection over at the camper. It's a pretty solid line. I mean, there's no leakage from the quick connect to the gas. Quick connect underneath the camper. all the way to the connection point at the grill, or at the fire pit.
What I do really like about this is the length of the hose, so we can get the fire pit away from the camper. The other thing I do like is it's multi-purpose, right? So if we got a different stove, we can use this with it as well as the fire pit. So that's pretty awesome. All right, guys, that was just a quick unboxing, review, and setup of the PatioGem Quick Connect propane hose. If you have any questions, concerns, leave them down in the comments below. I will leave a link in the description for this product. And yeah, seems to work just fine. So hope you liked the video. Check out my other ones. We'll see you on the next one.